Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this awesome color changing neon outline on CapCut PC. Go to effects and go to nightclub and add in a neon outline to your video. Make sure you adjust the strength a little bit like so, and you can even add in a glow. So go to lens and add in the edge glow to it if you'd like to. You don't have to, but if you want to make it even more glowy, you can. Then go to adjustments, go to filters and add in a black and white filter on top of that. Go to effects and then go back to nightclub and add in the colorful filter. Then I'm just going to copy and paste my video, select everything, right click, create compound clip. Go to blend mode and choose either the brighten or the screen mode, totally up to you. And on the video I might go to adjustments and I might make it a little bit darker to give that pop of color to the outline, I guess. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!